Hello students, let us begin with part 2 of lesson number 8, beginning of settled life. Under this we will study special skills and occupations and community life based on mutual cooperation. In part 1 we studied about the domestication of animals and agriculture. Here we will study about the special skill and various occupation and also the community based life on mutual cooperation. So before agriculture began, people obtained food such as meat, fruits and roots by hunting and gathering. Gathering means collecting. But they could not store this food for future use. Hence men and women were continuously engaged in getting food. But when agricultural system was introduced, it was possible to store the food grain for longer time. Hence more food was available for the community. Due to this, men and women had spare, that is free time for experimentation and for using their natural creativity to develop special skills. Hence, members with special skills were given work based on those skills. Thus arose craft like making earthen pots, beads, etc. It is believed that in the new Stone Age, man made earthen pots and other earthen objects by hands. Now let us understand community life based on mutual cooperation. So due to usage of animals in agriculture and sharing of agricultural tasks, that is agricultural work, the farmers in the village settlement were producing excess or surplus food. So the farmers also needed other skilled craftsmen for making agricultural implement or equipment and for repairing them. And such craftsmen were paid in the form of food grain or other article as no money system was introduced in those period. The craftsmen needed to obtain their raw material to make agricultural equipment from long distance. The prices of this raw material were also paid in the form of food grains, articles, etc. Thus, goods were exchanged for goods, and this system was called as barter system. The barter system began to be used when there was a need to obtain raw materials, finished object, other articles of daily use, etc. from other places. Salt was an essential item, so most of the village settlement needed to obtain it from far away places. Salt traders traded articles they received in exchange of salt. Hence, we can say that salt trade helped the expansion of trade in the new Stone Age. For smooth functioning of trade and distribution of resources, the village community made rules for mutual cooperation. The people who implemented rules became the chiefs of village settlement. The chief of the village settlement were also responsible or they were entrusted for the protection of the village too. This is how village administrative system came into existence. For village protection, they built protective walls and moats. A moat is a deep broad ditch, either dry or filled with water, which surrounds a house, town or a village. These walls were built to protect the village settlements from floods, wildlife and outsider who stole the village cattle. Evidence of protective walls and moats around the village settlement of the new Stone Age has been found in the excavation.